Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another unboxing for you guys. I got another pair of shoes today, and today I have the Nike Air Zoom Structure 24. These came out this year, and if you go on Nike's website right now, they retail for $120. I got them on sale at the base for $96. So let's go ahead and take a look at them real quick and see what we got here. And these are a size 13. They were released, I think, about 3 months ago or 3.5 months ago by Nike. So give you guys a quick look at them. Let me move this box out of the way real quick so you can see what we got here. And these are just, you know, some basic soft shoes. I needed some more white ones. I showed you guys in a video where I got those other white ones I had destroyed, but they had the blue stripe, which is fine because I wear a lot of blue and white. So let me pull out the other one. Now I don't get into all of the heel and talking about the size and the depth of these shoes. I just like doing the unboxing of them, let you know, because I'm gonna start doing reviews, follow-up reviews on these, let you know how they've been working out for me and show you what kind of condition they're currently in, because this is probably my 8th or 9th pair that I put on YouTube. But so far, I like the way they look in person. They didn't look bad on the actual website itself. These came from the military base, the exchange. And like I said, the regular retail price was $120. I bought them for $96 from the base's website. So show you what the bottom here looks like. Nice traction, pretty flexible. I like because they're super light. You know, I like buying light shoes, especially because I have to wear those inserts, and I have an AFO that I wear on this side, and it's gonna stretch these bad boys out. You guys that know what an AFO is, and it's a custom-made AFO, so it's really gonna stretch them out. Now, as far as the price this time around and what it cost me to get these here, I actually bought a combination of things, 3 different products I'm gonna unbox on here. Not today, obviously, but in total. And it only cost me $35 to have everything delivered here. This was included with that delivery. So I actually got lucky because I made it in just before the rate went up. Moving forward, I think I'm just going to plan trips to the States, buy products, then come back. That way I'm not having to pay that import tax anymore. But I just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. These are the Nike Air Zoom Structure 24. I did have the 23s from last year. They're not much different than these. They're really not. If you saw the Structure 23s and you looked at these, you probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference, because I'm looking at them and I can't really tell the difference where they made any improvements yet. Obviously, I haven't worn them yet, but so far, so good. So I appreciate everybody watching as always, guys. These are, again, the Nike Air Zoom Structure 24s. You know, on the military website, the exchange, there's no taxes, so it was $96 total for these shoes. All right, guys, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, I'm out. Peace.